I give you the map. You are willing to do that? It's the main point, because everyone wants to be Cristiano, but I give you the map. You think you will do it that? The discipline is the most difficult thing, not only in the sports, but in the life.
If you want to stay poor, keep watching the news. News is propaganda, and news is simply there to keep you arguing about the same old shit. Because quite frankly, why do you care about Qatar and their laws? Your mother still works. She's not retired. She should be enjoying her last few decades on this earth. And instead you want to sit there and write stupid tweets about Qatar and all of these geopolitical issues. Shut the f*** up. Shame on you. King, wake up. You have real work to do.
To know what makes you different, what makes you unique, what you love that's different from what other people love, right? And I tell people when you're older, continually create lists of things you hate and things you love, and look through them and analyze them and go, is this because what other people are telling me to hate and what other people are telling me to love, or does it come truly from within? So this process of finding your life's test is not just about your career, it's also about your mental health, about what makes you unique,